you swim up there. Catch those steps. Yay! That's perfect.
Ella.
Swim to me. Come on, you. Good girl. Come on, keep coming. That's good. You closed your mouth like a good girl. I'll go back to the edge. Swim to Aunt Laura. Swim. Here I come. I'm coming. Yay! Yay! Keep your mouth up. Yes. Yay! Coming back? Okay. Yay! Look at you go. Look at you. Yeah. That's super. Okay. Okay. All right, wild one. Want to go wild around the pool? Here. We'll go.